Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to record content for your brand and edit it for ads, how to make winning ad creatives. As you guys know, I revealed it on my Instagram. I just ended up getting a big body lamb chop with stars in the roof, so we're going to be using this and my other car right there, the M4. Alright guys, so, wait, hold on, let the car aura farm a little bit. So now we're gonna get to the part where we actually show you how to shoot the content, and I'm gonna show you how to actually edit the content after. So also, 15,000 subs, guess what? I'm giving away my $5,000 gaming PC. So like, comment, and sub. I'm gonna be checking every single comment. So you don't need a professional camera. A lot of people get that messed up. They think they need a crazy professional camera. Hop in, bro. Oh, over here. This is my friend Akash. He runs a 7-figure brand. Don't tell them what brand you run, but yeah. Anyways, getting into it, you do not need a professional camera. As long as you have, I'd say even an iPhone 14, 15, anything above that, you'll be straight. I recommend getting the 17 because the quality is insane. I'm gonna grab my other phone and we're gonna jump straight.
I told him about the 17 hack, man. Put you on the 17, bro.
Oh yeah, he put me on the 17.
Yeah, this guy was rocking like a 14 before. I was like, nah, you gotta upgrade that shit.
Gang, I had a 16. What are you talking about? I have a 16 right here, but we're gonna use my 17, and then we're just gonna shoot some content for these clothes right here for one of the brands we work. Make sure you're shooting 4K 60 FPS. We're gonna do flash on because we're in the parking garage, and then let's get it.
Yeah.
The first B-roll is just gonna be me like just standing, just showing the clothes off with the car in the background.
It's very important. You have to think, when someone's on Instagram, they're scrolling. Your target audience is scrolling through reels, scrolling through brain rot. You have to stop them, right? So as you see here, we have the model. He's chilling. He's standing, looking pretty, right? You want to go up. You want to make sure you catch those details. All of this little motion that I'm adding right now is gonna add a lot when we edit it. You wanna get close-ups. You wanna do far out. Just make sure you get everything, man. Yeah, I'm moving is gonna add a lot to the edit of the reels that we're gonna put together.
And then like a B-roll shot of you like rotating type shit. The rotating shots help a lot when it comes to edits. So boom, he's getting the little details. Now the pants as well. I'm just gonna move the pants up and down. Whenever you have models, you just gotta tell them to be natural, move shit around. He's gonna act like I'm on my phone.
Yeah, biggest thing, man, perfection will always dampen your progress, right? You just wanna make sure you get enough physical evidence as possible. If you're trying to go for the perfect shot, it'll never come out.
Now I'm gonna act like I'm on the phone talking to somebody. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
Exposure method is crazy, bro. So you see how right now it looks kind of like whatever, right? Bro, all you gotta do is just drag that exposure down. Bang, look at that. It's like cinema quality right there.
Snap. Out of these clips, we could probably make like 15 to 20 creatives or more, like different types of scenes. Now we just did one with the Urus, let's do one with the M4. We got another car right there. So walking to the car, unlock it, and just look around. Thermal first, and then the pants, so me just doing natural shit. So little details, just showcasing. Like me playing around with this, close up of the sleeve and this. So I'm just gonna act like I'm fixing this up.
Now guys, when you're shooting your own content, you're gonna have to direct the model. They're not gonna know what to do, bro. I've been to too many photo shoots where the models just stand there very stiff. You have to plan out each of your shots of what you want to get the night before.
Another cool angle, like I want you to walk like closer towards me. I'm just gonna play around with my chain. Not yet, hold on. Let me lock this. Make sure the Urus is in the back. Now boom. 3, 2, 1, walk towards me. Some angles from like up top with just rotating angles. You feel me? Then just rotate and come close up. You feel me? Come close up. We're gonna jump into actually how to edit these clips. I'm gonna do it off my iPhone. We're gonna roll into those clips. It is easy, anyone can do this. This is winning ad content. This shit is gonna hit on ads 100%. And when it does hit, I'm gonna make another video showing you guys why it hit, and it was that fucking easy. A lot of people like to overcomplicate it. This is what I struggle with too, making winning ad content. It's not hard, you just need the right direction. I'm back at the crib now. When it comes to finding winning sounds, you can go on some of your competitors. As my homie Coca's brand is Merlin's father. I'm just gonna scroll through, grab a couple sounds. I don't want to get copyrighted on YouTube, but I'm just gonna quickly save this right here. Boom. Go through right here, save that. I just hope YouTube don't copyright me. Boom, scrolling down. Just save a couple sounds. You go on competitors, save some sounds that you want to use. Like, these are all viral sounds that pretty much work, and they do pretty good on ads. So I recommend just grabbing a couple sounds with, or just go on the videos that have a decent amount of views, grab some sounds off them. So boom, grab that sound right there. We'll grab maybe one or two more. This one did pretty good. We'll grab this. So boom, once these are saved, we're gonna go on the actual Instagram Edits app now. All right, once you're on Instagram Edits, you just wanna add all the clips you got for whatever content you recorded. Let me make sure it's focused right here. So I exported all these clips we got. Now the best way I like to edit, I like to grab 1 second clips. So I'll kind of scroll through, look for like the frames I like. So for example, I'm right here. Let me just zoom this in more. So when it comes to editing, you can zoom in like this. It'll literally zoom in. Once it zooms in, you can go through the actual clip. So we'll move it around. So with this frame, it slowly zooms into me. So I feel like this tough one. So I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna click split right here at the bottom left. Delete the first thing. Go boom. Click that, split. Now this is 1.9 seconds. How do we make it faster? Click speed down here. Probably make it like 2.5 or make it like 1.4x. That'll make that clip, go back. Yeah, that made it at 1.3 seconds. So if I end up playing this clip right now, it zooms in quicker than before. So pretty simple. Now scrolling through, let's see. Just gotta keep going, different angles. So these were the B-roll shots we got. So for example, him going left, right. So the moment he starts going left, right, I'm gonna cut it right here. Split that. Delete the other clip there. We'll zoom in a little bit. He stops there, split that, make that like, you make that 0.8 seconds. And then you just keep going through. He showcases the pants in this one, so we'll start it off probably around here. Click that, click split, delete. Split right here, that's like 1.3 seconds. We'll make that 1 second. Now in this one, I'm like on the phone. We could do a lower clip. The lower clip is low-key fire of him tilting, so delete that. And these clips you can make around 15 to, I'd say 15 to 30 seconds, or even like 7 to 8 seconds. Like that's perfect for ads. Like I'd say a cool timeline for ads when it comes to like clips, keep them like 8 to 15 seconds. 30 seconds if you have a lot more different scenes, but I think that should be smooth. So got that clip right there. This is how you can cook up hella creatives. So scrolling through, this is when you lowered the exposure. This is like some cool lifestyle shit. I'm gonna cut that out, make that. Now here's where we like kind of decrease the speed on it. So I'm gonna go on speed. I'm gonna make this 0.6 seconds and crop this out a little bit for when I stop, and then that'll be 1 second. So for example, if I play this so far, it's looking pretty fucking good, I'm not gonna lie. Like, there you go. And now moving on to the other clips, I'm just gonna delete this. Go right here. Here's another one of me just looking on my phone. Nah, I don't like that frame. There's frames of me like sitting in the car, so acting like I'm on the phone, split that there, make that like probably 0.8 seconds. Because each scene should kind of tell a different story to keep viewers hooked in, because hyperdopamine matters a lot. People have to like, hold on, let me just go on D&D so I don't get any messages. Okay, I don't think my D&D is set up properly. Apologies, guys. Okay, boom, there we go. So going back, these are the cuts. So I'm just gonna get rid of this. We're currently at 7 seconds so far, so that's pretty damn good. So going through. There's like a clip of me walking to the M4. I'm looking down, so let's do. The moment he tilts the camera, I'm just gonna drag this right here. Make that about 1 second. Keep scrolling through. This is where he gets like a close-up, so hold on. It Didn't focus well, so I'm not going to use that part, but you just got to look for the best frame possible. Hold on. Yeah, boom, this frame right here where I start showing the actual logo on the sweatpants. We're currently at 8 seconds, so that's pretty good. I'll make this like 15 seconds, so y'all can really see how fire it comes out. Get that. That's done. You keep scrolling. And once you like practice and you get better at it, like you could cook up creatives in no time. This is me like really explaining everything to you guys, but you could really cook creatives pretty fucking damn quick. I'm not gonna lie. And this is some lifestyle. This is the B-roll, so he's gonna do. So this B-roll, like I was mentioning, where he goes higher up and tilts it. This makes it look fire too. So delete. Boom, I'm gonna hop on the phone real quick. We'll make that 1 second. That should be smooth. I think we got. Wait, why is it 35 seconds? Oh, okay, I didn't cut this out. Did I already get that? I already got me showing that part. Probably get me fixing the sleeve right here, just to add a little bit more. It's 1.1 seconds, delete that. So in total, this is actually 11 seconds, which isn't too bad. I'm just gonna go on one of the save sounds, hopefully, fingers crossed they don't, all right, that's good. This is all getting copyrighted. All right, guys, I'm probably getting copyrighted in this video, but fuck it, why not? All right, let's watch this video together now. So I'll let that focus. It's the final product. Banging ad creatives. This is how you cook up banging ad creatives. I know the song's not long enough. Yeah, it's not long enough, so you can cut the last clip out, and then boom, go back there. Let's watch the whole thing again. Like, come on now, that was so fucking easy. One clip, like this is just one ad right here. Now with those clips we got, we can cook up a shit ton of ads. Now, this video was a very simple tutorial on how to actually record content and edit it. Now in part 2, I'm gonna show you these ads that I just recorded. I'm gonna throw them up on Meta and I'm gonna show you the results, and then I'm gonna show you how to edit even more. Because this is a very simple tutorial. I struggled with this for a very, very long time. I'd be like, bro, how are these brands going out there recording clips like this and getting this crazy content when it was that simple? I had a proper brand owner sit down with me. He's like, bro, this is all you have to do. This is how you record and this is how you edit. I'm like, wait, what? I put 2 and 2 together and I'm like, this is mad easy, bro. Like, I can't lie. Like, shit, you got it, bro. So make sure you guys like this video. Part 2 is coming very soon. And if you're currently struggling with something, comment down below. If I know what you're currently struggling with, I'm able to cater to that and make a video towards that. So go ahead, spam the comments, and